From coolers to tents, hiking and camping supplies come in a whole range of categories. This is Glenn, and today we bring you 15 useful hiking and camping supplies you can buy on Amazon.
Number 15.
This ROVR camping cooler by ROVR is everything you would want for a week-long camping trip. This can be pulled by the aluminum pull-beside dual handle on 9-inch all-terrain wheels and has an optional bike attachment kit. This will hold ice at a temperature of 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 10 days. Comes with separate storage bins, and the durable cooler can be locked. The wagon bin on top can be used to carry extra items and will fold down to a comfortable cushion. 6 anchor points are included for optional extras like a dual cup holder, a stash bag, or prepping board. Sizes available are 60, 80, and 85 quarts, with a cost of $400 to $450.
Number 14.
This 8-person tent is durable, watertight, and breathable, with 100% duck canvas and a 6-foot 6-inch ceiling. This has 4 large windows, 2 large D-shaped doors, and a large 84 by 78-inch awning. The Kodiak tent measures 10 by 14 feet, with a flexible frame and 12-inch steel stakes. Packing weight is 79 pounds, including the 6 5-pound stakes. This tent has a cost of $639.
Number 13.
Powering up to 7 devices is easy with the Yeti 400 Lithium Portable Power Station. This has a continuous 300-watt, 1200-watt surge wave inverter, 2.4 USB ports, and 120-watt 12-volt ports. You can run small appliances, lights, and more while charging tablets, laptops, cameras, and phones. Recharging can be AC, or this can be paired with a solar panel that is sold separately. Measuring 7.5 inches by 11.25 inches by 7 inches, this weighs 17 pounds and has a cost of about $600.
Number 12.
If disaster strikes, be prepared with this 2- or 4-person kit from Sustain Supply Company. It includes superior quality supplies for up to 72 hours of sustainability. Save time and money by buying all your emergency items in one place. The Comfort 2-pack for 2 people contains Mountain House food servings, 24 packs of Datrix water, snap lights, an LED lantern, and a fully stocked first aid kit. Cooking supplies include a portable stove, bowls, utensils, and a Mora knife. You can also keep warm with the emergency blankets, fire starting device, and tinder, and keep clean with the included handy wipes. The cost of these start at $199.
Number 11.
The perfect accessory to take along for your portable power station, the Boulder 100 solar panel by Goal Zero, can charge up your station using the power of the sun. This is lightweight and comes with a briefcase folding enclosure. This 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel is ideal for camping and off-grid situations and features a rigid anodized aluminum and tempered glass construction with an 18 to 22-volt open circuit. This weighs in at about 30 pounds, is 40 by 27 by 1.75 inches, and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. This has a cost of $299.95.
Number 10.
Track loved ones from any computer, phone, or tablet, and know that they can always be found in case of an emergency. The Amerilock portable mini GPS tracker will give you tracking updates while on the move, and 1 year of tracking history. This is easy to carry and has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts for days or weeks, not hours. With the included international SIM card, you can track this device in the US, Canada, Europe, and almost every other country in the world. The XW Series tracker has no contract, activation fees, or hidden costs. Pricing on this one is $106 with monthly service fees of $19 to $25 a month, depending on length of plan.
Number 9.
This multi-tool comes with 14 tools that will come in very handy on any camping or hiking trip. The Wingman by Leatherman measures 3.8 inches long when closed, weighs 7 ounces, and has a blade length of 2.6 inches. Some of the tools include pliers, screwdrivers, package opener, a wire stripper, scissors, bottle and can openers, and even a file or ruler. Easy one-handed spring-action opening makes this very convenient to use. This comes with the Leatherman 25-year warranty and costs $49.95.
Number 8.
These anti-shock hiking and walking poles are designed to be used by beginners and experts alike. BAFX Products has upgraded these poles to a more comfortable grip that is ribbed for added grip and less slippage. A wider and better wrist strap gives you less rubbing and chafing. These are durable and lightweight at 12.4 ounces each and made with aircraft-grade aluminum. The anti-shock springs built into each pole help reduce the shock on your elbow joints from using the poles. Each pole has an adjustable length from 25.5 to 52 inches. Price on these is $22.99 a pair.
Number 7.
Everyone needs a place to sit around the campfire at night. This chair from Coleman will give you comfort and support with a fully cushioned seat and back made of polyester and has a maximum weight capacity of 325 pounds. The Coleman Quad Chair is easily folded up and comes with a handy carrying case. This measures 27 inches by 27 inches and weighs in at about 9 pounds. The best part is that this comes with a 4-can cooler and side pockets for storage. You can order one now from Amazon for $27.99. Sorry, but there's no international shipping on this item.
Number 6.
You can laze around outside and enjoy a cool breeze with this double hammock from Winter Outfitters. This 2-person hammock takes about 3 minutes to put up and has a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. The lightweight nylon parachute fabric can be hung on a tree or nearby objects with included rope strips or tree-friendly straps and carabiners. This measures 6 feet 6 inches wide and 9 feet 10 inches long. You can purchase one of these for $26.99 with a no-question full money-back guarantee.
Number 5.
Great for exploring caves and finding your way at night, this 3-mode Zoomable super bright LED headlamp from GRDE is just the thing you need. This is durable, comfortable, adjustable, and hands-free. 3 modes of light include low and high output or strobe on a single control switch. The rechargeable lithium-ion batteries will last from 4 to 7 hours depending on usage. A wall charger, car charger, 2 rechargeable 3.7-volt batteries, a special headlight USB cable, and a manual are included with this headlamp. The cost of this is $23.99.
Number 4.
Keep thirst at bay with this hydration backpack from Teton Sports. This is perfect for hiking, biking, running, or hunting, and comes with a 70-ounce water bladder and a sewn-in rain cover to keep your backpack dry. The Oasis 1100 weighs 2 pounds, is 18.5 by 10 by 7 inches, and is 1,100 cubic inches. This is made to accommodate men, women, or children, and is comfortable enough to wear for hours. This comes in 5 different colors and costs $39.99.
Number 3.
Sleep comfortably in this 2-person queen-size cold-weather sleeping bag by Sleep & Go that is designed to be used as 1 large or 2 regular-size sleeping bags. This is rated for temperatures of 32 degrees Fahrenheit and weighs about 6 pounds. Having a size of approximately 7 feet long and about 5 feet wide, this sleeping bag opens on both sides, has a tough and waterproof outer shell, and the inner bag is made of Teton and cotton with a 210 thread count. This comes with 2 free travel pillows and costs about $58.
Number 2.
A backpack for men, women, and youth, the Explorer 4000 by Teton Sports is a high-performance internal frame backpack for hiking and camping. With its 4,000 cubic inch capacity, this is large enough to accommodate you on a 2 to 5 day trip. This rugged backpack weighs 5 pounds and has multi-position torso adjustments to fit a wide variety of body sizes. Measuring 27 by 12 by 10 inches, this includes a main compartment and 6 pockets. The bendable aluminum stays provide comfort with thick lumbar support and upper back pads, shoulder and hip straps with tensioners, and a breathable mesh. You can pick one of these up for about $65.
Number 1.
Lightweight, spacious interior, compact, and durable design are all things you want in a tent. And with the Zion, you can have it. This includes a free gear loft and footprint. This weighs around 7.5 pounds and measures 7 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 7 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. Rainfly, footprint, and bathtub floor are made to keep out water. The poles and tent stakes are made of an aluminum alloy. Made for 3-season camping, this will comfortably sleep 2 and has an easy 1-pole setup. This was designed with hiking in mind and comes with a small carrying sack. You can buy one of these for about $130.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.